The process of presenting design proposals to a client. We start with a measured survey and produce accurate CAD plans. Once we have CAD plans, we can add essential information, such as area calculations, ceiling grids and lighting layouts, power and data positions, as well as floor finishes, partition layouts, space planning, 3D plans, 3D visuals, creating views from any angle. Now the fun begins. We create a 360-degree virtual tour from within the 3D model, allowing the viewer to walk through the space at their own pace. You can click just about anywhere to navigate your route. A virtual tour created from a 3D model helps the client visualize the project. Each virtual tour can have an interactive floor plan, a photo album with as many pictures as required, even an interactive Google location map. A company information page. When the fit-out is complete, a new 360 virtual tour can be created. We use our 360-degree cameras on site to produce the final result. Later in the video, we have a comparison from the 3D model virtual tour against the completed project. This type of 360 virtual tour can be used as a promotional tool for the fit-out company or by the client to show their fabulous space. You can see here how the 3D model compares to the finished project. Thanks for watching. If you would like to know more about our services, such as measured building surveys, drawings, or the 360 virtual tours, please get in touch.